Okay, welcome back to Squadding Quads Tutorials, and today I'm going to teach you all the question you all keep asking: how can I have a custom tone on my FPV drone? That almost rhymes, but it doesn't. Now, I'm going to show you a way of doing it with an ESC that's got BL Heli S. The BL Heli 32s are a little bit more involved, so this one is just going to be aimed at drones that are running BL Heli S. Type in ESC configurator, and as you can see, I've already been to it, and there we go. This is the website we're going to use. First of all, what you're going to need to do, and the reason I haven't done this already is because it will cause some heat, is you need to plug a battery in to your drone. So it needs to be connected, and it also needs to be plugged in. And then pop it back down on the table. Ideally, don't use it with props on, but yeah. Click connect, and then click read settings. If you don't know if your drone has a BL Heli 32 or BL Heli S, all you need to do is just Google the model of it and it'll be able to tell you. Now, whatever you do, don't touch anything else in here. Just open up Melody Editor. And in here, we've got a list of all the songs. So what we're going to do is we're just going to show you the really easy way of doing it. And we're going to start with the Batman theme. And all you need to do is, once you've clicked on the theme that you want, is just press accept on all 4 ESCs and then press write melodies. Once you've done that, to check that it's worked, and again, don't ever plug a drone in that's got the props on. It's a really bad thing and a habit to get into, but yeah. So now we hit disconnect and you'll be able to hear the tune. And if you get bored of that, come back in here, click connect, click read settings, open up Melody Editor again, and you've got everything, well, not everything, but you've got loads available to you. You can also write your own melody as well. I'll leave a link to a website down below that my boy Only Drones has figured out how to do it. But if we do, I don't know, let's have a look. T-Motor default. Now that only comes up with the same tune across all of the ESCs. If we press accept and write melodies, and then if we, and then we'll do just one more. I know, let's rickroll you all. So this is different ones for each ESC, so you just need to press accept and write melody. And then once that's done, close that off, press disconnect. And you've officially been rickrolled. Leave a like, comment and description down below.